The secret is out, and we want to give you all the details. Welcome to Grand Arbor by Pulte Homes, a stylish community with a charming collection of desirable homes. Located in the bustling Columbia suburb of Blythewood and situated in the highly accredited Richland II School District, the local area offers wonderful outdoor activities, including golf, tennis, equestrian sports, parks, and hiking. The homes at Grand Arbor by Pulte Homes are beautiful and inviting. Your family and guests will feel completely at home in open, spacious rooms. The designer kitchen makes preparing meals a gourmet experience with plenty of counter space and practical conveniences. The quiet owner suite is a private retreat. A luxurious bath, dual sinks, and a large walk-in closet meet all your practical and pampering needs. With an impressive selection of interior options like screened porches and name brand appliance packages, you can design the home that's perfect for your family. Enjoy picturesque pond, wooded, and creek views in this beautiful new home community. Grand Arbor by Pulte Homes combines timeless southern charm with innovative design, ample storage space, and the latest trends that will allow you to personalize for how you live. Offering single-story and two-story home designs, each available with picturesque pond, wooded, or creek views. Floor plans range in size from 1,987 to 2,842 square feet, offering 2 to 5 bedrooms, 2 to 4 bathrooms, and 2-car garages. Come check out some of the exciting community features and resort-styled amenities we have to offer. Allow the sun to gently warm your skin as you bask poolside at the planned swimming pool. Congregate at the community field for an outdoor gathering, play a friendly game of pickleball on the pickleball court, or explore the walking trails around the 12-acre lake. You won't want to miss the exclusive opportunity to live in the beautiful community of Grand Arbor. Pulte Homes has over 70 years of home building experience, helping prepare you for the next milestone moment in your life. Feel confident as you navigate through the home building process, knowing that your home is under a 10-year structural warranty that covers the structural integrity of your home. Life is waiting for you at Grand Arbor by Pulte Homes. We welcome you to find the home you've been dreaming of in a community worth growing in.